Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So I am here to give you guys some house updates. So we have decorated for Halloween. I have a few things up right here. So I'm gonna show you some of our Halloween decor, and then I'm gonna give you some house updates because tomorrow we have more furniture being delivered. And then we'll go over some things that are happening. I'm so excited. So if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. Okay, so I did a little bit of decorating in here, just changed out like some of the stuff on the table and that. Put my little broomstick and cauldron here. Put up that little ghost. Swapped out this pillow. And then I just got this at like Home Goods like 2-3 days ago. Really like him. So it says welcome, pumpkin patch, hayride, apple cider, potato sack race. Put a little pumpkin here, put a little, some pumpkin decor. So some of our pumpkin paintings from a paint and sip that we did last year. And swapped out the towels, added some pumpkin, fall sweet fall. And then, okay, so here's where the bigger changes are. Oh. Actually, I guess I added some bats. Look how cute our fireplace is. Okay, so I got these little bats on Amazon. They're like little, I think they're kind of like plasticky. And I thought that was super cute. And just put little pieces of decor here and kind of around. We don't have as many surfaces as we had last year, so we weren't really able to do a whole lot. Okay, so here's the main changes that have happened. So I don't believe when I did that house tour, I don't think we had stools yet. So we got these stools, really, really comfortable. And then we got this rug. So it's the same rug as this one right here, except a shorter version, and I got these on Overstock. And then we have officially moved the living room set from over there in front of the TV to right here, centered under this chandelier here. And that is because finally tomorrow our huge L-shaped sectional will be arriving. So the sectional is going to be from here, come around, and then it has this little like, it's called a cuddler, which is basically just like a triangle little section there. And then we ordered like the oversized ottoman in the middle that we're gonna kind of use as the table. And then we have our little leather poofs. And then we have these pillows. So these top two pillows actually exactly match the leather poof. And then these are just two other pillows that kind of match the color scheme that we got to go with it. So that's what's going on right here. And then hopefully in the next like 3-4 weeks, we're going to get in the couch and daybed for the master bedroom. So we're really excited. It's actually kind of starting to look like a furnished house. Then once we get this one too, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. And then over here, I think we've decided to get rid of these. So the two side tables and this one. And we wanna get like a dark wood table to go here. And I think we want one that's like rectangular, so maybe extends out like to here a bit more. So I think that's what we're gonna do here, and then we'd have to have like black hardware again, just because all of these and like the fixings and whatnot on like in the kitchen and stuff, it seems like everything's kind of like black. Excuse me. So this is what's been going on over here. Every time Sadie gets the ball, Hunter barks at us to try to get us involved to help him retrieve it, and then vice versa. They're both super poor sports about when the other one has the ball. And when they are too lazy to wrestle over it, they try to recruit us to get it for them. But yeah, that is what is going on here. So excited. I will show you tomorrow once that big couch arrives. Other than that, I don't think I showed you guys when this bed frame came in. So we moved the bed frame, or no, we purchased the bed frame. It was delivered. And then we ended up getting rid of the, well, not getting rid of, but we put into storage for now the lamps that were here. We want to get like little skinny side tables to put here. And yes, I know this is not centered and it kind of drives me crazy. We have to get it centered, but it hasn't really been a priority. And then over here, we're planning on like putting a rug and putting like two like decorative couches and like a little table in the middle so people can like look out and also just like have a place to hang out. And then under here, so that's the frame TV. We plan on putting like a table here, or not, no, I think we want to do a dresser because the closet, I didn't show you guys in the house tour, but the closet is actually like pretty small in here. All the other closets are huge because they're meant for like full-time living closets, but for the guest bedroom, they're actually pretty small. So for when we have guests, we want them to have somewhere to be able to put their stuff. So we're thinking doing like a very long, like maybe 4 or 5 like drawer wide dresser all here, and then we can put some like decor up there and really finish it off. And then we may be doing some like art here. I'm not sure if we're gonna put art there. I think we could definitely put some art here, and then maybe like a full-length mirror or something. I kind of want one that like stands and like leans, like an oversized one. But yeah, we'll see what we do as things get furnished a little more. The other update is the bathtub. So we have our big mat there, and we have these nice windows, nice tall little ceiling in that area here. So what I've done over here so far, so we got like this really pretty like textured candle, and then we got one of these bath trays, and it's like retractable, has some of these different things that like move and such, and you can fit like a wine glass in here and like a wine bottle and such. And then we got a little cushion for like your head when you're in the bath. And then that's a backup candle that's not gonna be there all the time. I think what we're gonna be putting right there is ultimately gonna be like some sort of like little tray or jar with like bath bombs. But for now, that's there. And then we got this pretty vase and put some eucalyptus in there. So I think what we're still planning on doing this area is finding that little bath tray or something to go right there. And then we want to get like an art piece to go here. The only thing we have to be careful of is the fact that there's that gigantic mosaic in the shower right there. Although we do plan to get a shower curtain. However, look, the shower like little hook things for the curtain are all the way up there. So regular shower curtains are like 14 bucks. To have one this tall, they're also gigantically wide. So they're like $240, and I can only find them on Etsy. And I struggle to like rationalize spending over $200 on a freaking shower curtain. And then I'd also have to cut it because look how like thin the entrance is. So they come like super wide, so I'd have to pay all of that for all of that material, and then I'd have to cut the material. So if you guys have any ideas or solutions of what on earth to do here, I would greatly appreciate it, because right now I'm like, when I shave my legs, I'm like shaving off goosebumps because you're getting like a breeze in there. So it's something has to change, but I just don't know how to do it. So yeah, this is what the area is looking like, and suggestions very much accepted. One other thing I just remembered is that we finally got laundry bins that perfectly fit under here. I think I want to get like a rug, but the issue is I can't find one with the dimensions to fit under there. And so I'm debating, do I get a rug to cover like the whole, like to make it cozier? Is that weird? Is it weird to make the laundry room cozy? And then we switched to Tide Pods, and I put them in here. And I was remembering how people were like eating Tide Pods. Do you guys remember that trend? It is so abundantly obvious that this is not edible. I don't even know why anyone would even try to eat that. That just, ugh, that blows my mind. I was like talking to my friends, I was like, we had like the Harlem Shake, the mannequin challenge, like things that were just like playful fun. Like everyone these days is like, let's eat toxic things. Let's try to climb on top of crates and like break our backs. Like, I don't know what on earth is happening, what the cultural shift is, but this, I don't know, era of people is just really determined to like die. It seems like I don't understand what's going on. So the new couch arrived yesterday. So here it is. We did buy the big ottoman that matches this, but that won't be here for a couple more weeks. So this is what it looks like in the space. And we aren't quite sure what we're gonna do. We do wanna get some sort of like big table or like buffet cabinet situation to go along the back of this. And then we aren't sure if we're gonna be keeping this area or if we want to put like a table here. We really like it as like a conversational area, but it's kind of closed off. Like we'd have to get some different furniture. We definitely want to get a different table for here. Yeah, we're just not really sure. And then the color difference between these, we don't know if that looks too weird. Like they're both a beige, but this one's like a warmer beige and that one's cooler. But perhaps when we get like the table back there, you won't really be able to tell the color difference. It won't be as abundantly obvious. So yeah, this is what we're working with for now. We have, yeah, no clue what we're doing. We're not sure if we're gonna keep this here. We do wanna put a piece of art up there. And then we are considering, just because this area is like so open now, we're thinking about maybe getting like an accent chair, maybe two, we don't know. And then we have all this extra space over here. So we're thinking about maybe getting like a large like plant to bring in some like greenery. But yeah, this is what's going on as of right now. Sorry if you can hear the fan vent. I'm making hash browns right now. So I just realized I never addressed what happened to that like buffet table that was right here before the couch was here. I don't know if you guys remember when this seating area was here. We had this like dark brown buffet table. It matched this. It was the one that used to be under those floating shelves in our old house. So that has since been moved. We moved it downstairs into the wine room. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was like a mosaic wall there, or like artwork piece on the wall, and we put it under there. So we're going to be putting like all of like our wine accessories and all of that stuff in those drawers. And then the decor that was on it, this table runner was on it. So we kind of changed up the decor here. And then this weekend we did like a paint and sip. So we just added our little artwork. So I did these like witch boots, or witch legs and the boots, and this like cute little spider. I love him. And then Darren did Casper the Friendly Ghost with a little jack-o'-lantern. So those were our little at-home paint and sips, and we just put them there. We were going to hang them on the wall, but we were hoping to find some art pieces by now, which we have not. So it's a couple days later. It is now Monday. Yesterday on Sunday, we decided to go to some art galleries in downtown Sacramento. Apparently most of them are closed on Sundays, but we found one that was open, and we found this beautiful piece that we love. It's a little bigger than it appears because of this. It's done by a local artist, and we're just really big fans of it. So we love some of the colors because we already have like a blue rug. We knew that I wanted to bring in some more like greens and plants like I have over there, and I want even more of that. So this kind of, it like tied in, you know, the oranges and browns with the floor, the plants, the blue for the rug, and like the table, like all of the tones that I already have going on in here are in this painting. So it's like the absolute perfect fit. So we're going to be hanging it right here on this wall, covering that like electrical thing in the outlet. So it's going to fit like perfectly. You guys can already see. And yeah, we're super excited with it. We try to find art for other areas, like for like right here, over there, and some of the other bigger areas, but unfortunately we haven't been able to find it yet, like for that wall right there. So this is what we're working with so far, but things are slowly coming together. We did order a new rug that's going to be going right here, and this rug is going to be moving into the master bedroom. So the one that we have going here, the issue with this is just that the material of the couch and the rug, they almost look like too similar. Like, I don't know if you can see, this also has like texture. So the one that we have is the one that we just bought is completely white, and it looks like it's like knitted rose, and it's really beautiful. It's kind of like a thick knit, and I'll show you guys when that comes in. That'll be here in like 2 weeks. And then we also purchased two like decorative table things with like two shelf, like the top shelf and has like a bottom shelf too, so you can put decor there. So that's what we're gonna use to like separate the rooms. It's like a sofa table, so it's super, super thin. I wanna say it's only like 15 inches deep. So it's going to fit perfectly there. And then we're going to be trying to move later this week these two chairs into that guest bedroom and see if it works as like a seating area, and just leave these for now. Ultimately, we are still thinking that we are going to be getting a table there, but yeah, we haven't quite figured that out yet.
So things are coming together. I also went to the store earlier today and just picked up some like fresh eucalyptus, and I feel like that super adds to the whole vibe in here. So that's what's going on. These are the house updates so far.
Hey guys, so it is a couple hours later. I was going to end this video later tonight because I had a few other pieces of decor that I had ordered and were supposed to be delivered today. However, according to tracking, for some reason, they have been delayed several days. Joy, don't you love that? So because of that, I'm gonna end the video here. There are going to be so many updates as we continue. So I figure I can include those pieces in my next update video, where hopefully we will have a few more pieces of furniture, a few more pieces of decor, maybe even a rug. Ooh, who knows? We will see what finally arrives in the mail, which things stick with their tracking information and are delivered on time, because it seems like with all the shipping delays, says it'll be here one day, it actually comes like 2 weeks later. So it really is like mail roulette these days. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't seen my house tour video, be sure to check that out. I did a house tour video of our new house and the old house that we just moved out of. So if you're interested in that, be sure to head over to my channel and watch them. Awesome, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for